Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating mga panood sa video ito ay laban ni Mike Tyson versus Trevor Berbick. Pero bago natin umpisa ng video ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag mo naman kalimutan mag-subscribe at pag-hit na sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago natin i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisa ng bakbakan ito, ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol. Ating balikan ang naging laban ng tinaguriang The Ironman, Mike Tyson versus Trevor Berbick, at alamin kung paano nga ba hininto ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
1.
Mike Tyson kind of feeling him out here, but he's bravado here, standing toe-to-toe is not the way. Tyson with the left, bounced it up the floor, and front and knee. Tyson will have no part of it. Notice he's with the right, another hook that just ran into some big trouble in a hurry. Notice that Berbick is standing directly in front of him. Master for all of the opponents of Mike Tyson. Down. Him off, not the way to keep him up. Notice the lazy left, one-on-one. Tyson clips him with a light left that time. But the left hook right there. Notice Tyson throws him there. Notice the left hand is not pumping like it was having a good first round. Wow, with the uppercut misses. Notice Trevor not doing anything right now. He doesn't want to be ready to go, but he stays on his feet. Another right hand. Tyson knows that he gets play with. Tyson is getting through with the bunches. And I learned that line from this may not go very long because he's got from Tyson goes to work right away, and he's got Trevor in trouble, and he's in you. Here comes Tyson again. He knows he can get wild with the right hand is Mike. Mike throwing caution to the wind. He is the challenger here tonight. Believe it or not, he looks like the champ. Wants to drop him again in a hurry. In there, caught a bit of a camera switch there, and another right behind it with a left hook. Mike doesn't throw just one punch. One of the youngest heavyweight champions of all time. And he goes down. He goes down. He should be able to get up from. Wow, with a left hook, then a right hand. And notice it's all Tyson. Berbick doing nothing up and down. Hills Lane, mind and heart want to get up, but got a brand new WBC heavyweight champion for a long time. Most people in boxing for Game and Valiant, former WBC, won the title 8 months ago, but that was a 12-round decision, and it may not be the night for many others. We'll have the official announcement momentarily.
Hanggang dito na lang po ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod, walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, anong masasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.